If your cleanup tools just push mess around, here's the best broom setup. 7 main picks for different jobs. Quick answer. Start with the Casabella Wayclean wide-angle broom for dust and crumbs. Then switch for bulkier messes, upright pickup, budget kits, or fine dust and outdoor cleanup. No one tool fixes every floor. Choose by debris, reach, storage, and upkeep. For most homes, it's the Casabella Wayclean wide-angle broom. Buy it if you want one indoor broom for the kitchen, corners, baseboards, and quick dry messes. The dense angled bristles handle powdery dust and bigger crumbs without making the broom feel awkward. The catch is that it's broom only, so you'll still need a pan if you're building from zero. It can also kick heavier pieces forward until you lighten your stroke. Skip it if you want a bundled set, or your main mess lives outside. For heavier household messes, go Libman 211 Extra Large Precision Angle Broom. This is the sturdier backup when the floor has bigger spills, garage-adjacent dirt, or porch grit that a softer broom treats too politely. The wider, firmer head moves bulk with more confidence, while still being reasonable indoors. The trade-off is comfort and reach. It's heavier, less bendy under low furniture, and the handle isn't the cushy option for long sessions. Skip it if your daily enemy is fine dust hiding under couches. If your broom is fine but the pan is the problem, get the Libman 2125 Step-On Dustpan. The foot hold-down design keeps the front edge planted, so you're not chasing that annoying line of crumbs under the lip. It's best for anyone who wants less bending and fewer repeat passes. The catch is size. This pan costs more than a basic one and takes real closet space. The handle clip also won't feel perfect on every broom. Skip it if compact storage matters more than easy cleanup. For less bending, choose the OXO Good Grips Large Sweep Set with Extendable Broom. It's best if you want an upright sweep-in dump setup for everyday crumbs, dust, and small piles. The long-handled pan helps you collect messes without crouching each time. The adjustable broom keeps quick pickups simple around kitchens, entries, and hard floors. The catch is power and reach. It's pricier than many sets, and it doesn't move heavy debris as well. Skip it if cat litter, dense grit, or under furniture reach matters most. For a cheap full setup, pick the HDX 15 inches angle broom and Step-On Dustpan set. It's the sensible buy for a first apartment, dorm, rental, utility closet, or backup kit where price matters more than polish. You get a usable angle broom and a step-on pan without building the setup piece by piece. The catch is that the details feel basic. The pan is smaller, the clip can be loose, and bigger messes may need extra trips to the trash. Skip it if you care about comfort or tidy clip-together storage. For the dust a broom leaves behind, add the Bona Premium Microfiber Mop as your second pass tool. It's best on hard floors, along baseboards, and under furniture after the bigger crumbs are already gone. The wide microfiber pad grabs that thin film that makes a floor look dirty again 5 minutes later. The catch is handling the pad. Pulling it off can shake dust loose, so do it over the trash or into the wash. Skip it if you want one tool for crumbs, grit, and fine dust piles. For leaves outside and wet hard floors, pick Libman's multi-surface push broom with the built-in squeegee. It's best on decks, patios, garages, stages, and other wide outdoor surfaces. The broad head helps you cover space faster than a small angle broom. The squeegee also gives you a handy lane for water and stuck-on grime. Don't treat the name like a job site promise, though. It's for lighter outdoor cleanup, not rocks, packed dirt, construction debris, or shovel-level rubble. Skip it if you need true heavy-duty force, or you can't store a wide head. Quick split. Everyday indoor sweeping, Casabella. Bigger debris, Libman 211. Better dustpan, Libman 2125. Less bending, OXO. Lowest cost full kit, HDX. Fine dust after sweeping, Bona. Outdoor leaves and wet surfaces, Libman push broom. Before you buy, check where it'll live. A great pan is useless if it doesn't fit. Use brooms for debris, microfiber for film, and a push broom when the mess moves outside. If you're unsure, start with the Casabella. Go Libman 211 if heavier debris bugs you more, OXO if bending is the issue, HDX if budget wins, Bona for fine dust, and the push broom outside. Links are in the description. Squared away. Bye-bye the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.